Alright, so it's Friday, June 3rd. It's finally cruise day. Getting everything together here. Getting ready to head to the port. Annie's getting all of her stuff together. Suntan lotion or whatever that was. Enjoyed our stay here at the Pally Hotel. Excited to get on that ship.
Meanwhile, over here,
and we out of here.
I'm going to take this opportunity to give you a little bit better look at our room. The bathroom was really nice. Love the shower, green and white tiles. Bed was really comfortable, and the room was overall really cozy.
And the best part of this room? Right there.
Another reason we chose to stay at the Pally Hotel is the fact that it's 3.5 miles to the cruise terminal. There she is, Ovation of the Seas. It's our first glance at our home away from home for the next week.
Should have taken a cab. Hoofing it. Finally made it to the cruise terminal, and it is starting to feel real. Annie looking as gorgeous as ever. Beautiful out here in Seattle.
It still amazes me the scale of these ships, over 167,000 tons. Our cruise was at full capacity, around 4,900 passengers, and the check-in process was pretty smooth. We had a little confusion what to do with our luggage at first, but otherwise we moved right on through.
Getting close. Hey, we're on the fun side of security.
Yes.
About to get on the ship.
Here we go.
A whole lot of time spent anticipating this moment, and watching YouTube ship tour videos prepared me for what we're about to see.
I was flattered when I said that.
Holy crap. Good. Royal Theater. A3.
We made it on board, and we are just heading back to the Royal Theater for our muster station. It was a really neat walk across the ship looking over the Royal Esplanade. What was cool about the muster drill, they do it all where you can watch it on your phone while you're waiting in line, so all you have to do is check in at the muster station.
Oh yeah, we don't have deck 5.
Deck 5. Royal Theater, where you at? A3. That's us. Time to muster up. Hey.
A3.
A3.
We're all mustered up and heading to the Windjammer for lunch.
Alright. Hey. It is time to eat.
This is a space I was pretty excited about, an aft deck where you can sit down and eat, look out over the ocean. We grabbed a spot in the corner that was shielded from the rain and made some reservations on the Royal Caribbean app. After lunch, we made our way up to the solarium.
See this place? Beautiful.
After checking out the solarium, we decided to go see if our room was ready.
Oh yeah. Where are we?
In our room. What do we get?
C is for cookie, and cookie is for me. The cookies weren't on the camera. Yes, to get diamond status. Wow, it's a big old closet. This is a nice little cabin. Very comfortable. Very clean. Bathroom's nice. Pretty standard. Deck 10 down to the water. You scared? She's scared. It's gorgeous. Got a nice view of the bridge. What do you think of your room?
I love it.
Process to make it quicker and easier than ever, and all you need to do is to check in with the crew at your assigned assembly station. You'll find your station on the walkthrough app, the back of your stateroom door. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your attention and cooperation, and will and must see destinations, so we advise you to look early.
Woo, boy. Do they have a cappuccino button? What? Perfect. Did you get what you came for?
Next time I'll just take the latte button.
Diamond Lounge. The only two diamond members on the ship.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
And now we've made our way into 270, which was probably one of my favorite venues on the ship. Such a versatile room, from dance parties and discos to bingo. Just really neat. You'll see Pixel's Cabaret on here in a little bit. The engineering in this room is as incredible as the view. We made our way up to the walkway. It's a great place to catch some fresh air and stretch your legs, especially when you're docked like this. I love the Flow Rider, so I had to check it out. You're going to see me try boogie boarding for the first time in another video. We are back on our balcony to watch the sail away.
This is my very hot wife. And we're officially on our way to Sitka.
We be moving.
We be moving.
I'm a little sad because I was very set on a green soda cup and they gave me a pink one, but I'll get over it.
I think we will survive. Very relieved to be on our cruise. Seattle is a pretty city. It's cool to see it from the air yesterday. The way it all like comes together. I guess all cities do that. They just like pop up all of a sudden.
Being from Ohio, I always like a chance to see all these different ships and vessels. Seattle is such a beautiful skyline. We really enjoyed the time we spent in the city. Wish we had a little bit more. So this is somewhere north of Seattle off the coast of Washington, and I love this feeling. You got the whole cruise ahead of you, just taking in the scenery.
And in a typical Richard fashion, we are late for dinner.
It's fine.
It's
I only changed like 20 times.
just 20. Go check it out.
So we opted for the My Time dining option. I think we had reservations around 6:45 tonight, but we got seated in the American Icon. I was too overwhelmed and excited, forgot to record any of the food or dining experience beyond the rolls.
Made it to the Icon. Prime seating tonight. Beloved pumpkin seed bread. My beautiful wife.
I don't know what this bread is, but it looks good.
Yeah. Dinner was a success.
Chocolate on my face?
I don't think so. Do I?
No.
I didn't have chocolate, so
That would be
good.
weird.
Yes.
Here we are heading up to what I now know is pronounced as the Schooner Bar, just to hang out after dinner. I love these cruise ship staircases, so classy. Now this is where things start to get exciting. I realized that I no longer had my sunglasses in my pocket. Uh-oh. So we ran back across the ship to the American Icon as quick as we could.
Okay, so we made it to the schooner for drinks after narrowly avoiding losing my sunglasses at dinner.
His brand new sunglasses.
Brand new, custom made Ray-Bans that Annie got me for my birthday. So, yeah. Sped walk across the ship, found them in my chair, and came back up for some drinks.
So here is a sneak peek of Pixel's Cabaret in 270. You can see how that space is just totally transformed into this venue. The floor moves, the TVs move, all the projector screens on the back wall, and the lights. It's incredible. Not to mention the talent, some awesome dancers, the choreography, the musicians. It was just really well put together. And after the show, we made our way to the music hall to catch Switched On Band. Awesome performers. We really enjoyed watching them. It did not take long for the music hall to become one of our favorite evening hangouts. Yo, it must be time for some pizza.
Is it even a cruise without a late night stop at Sorrento's?
No.
No, it's not.
It's really good.
It's quite good.
Fruit.
That's a wrap on boarding day. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for episode 3, A Day at Sea. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. We got lots of new content coming soon. Again, thanks for taking your time to watch our videos. We'll see you soon.